Hi, let me show you how to set up this brand new Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So just start with turning on the phone, and for that you need to press power button on the right side of the phone. Then you should see this greeting at many different languages. So just hit this white button to start and pick your language in this list. Now we are gonna click next, and here just agree with privacy policy. If you tap here, you can check privacy policy settings and then tap next. At this point, you can choose to transfer your data from your old phone, Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad. But if you want to set it up like a brand new phone, you can choose this option set up manually. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi network, so just pick your network from the list and then tap blue button to connect to the same network. And let's go next. And at this point, we can insert SIM card. So take this tool, which is called ejector, and goes in a compact with a device, which is for opening SIM slots. But if you lost it, you can try to use a needle, but be really careful because you may damage the slot. Now I'm gonna prepare my SIM card. Take the ejector and place it in this little hole on the SIM tray. Do not confuse it with this one. So we are gonna put it right here, press on the slot so it will pop up a bit, and just take it out using nails. Great. And then we should see those two SIM trays for the first SIM card and for the second. So just place it in the right position so that rounded corners would match, and it will be placed here securely. And then put the tray back in your phone and close it completely. Give it a few seconds to load, and let's check what is next. Great, the next step is to copy apps and data. So here you can tap next and then find out how to copy apps and data, but I'm gonna select this button, don't copy, and set it up like a brand new phone as I said before. Now it will load information and suggest us to sign in Google account. So just enter your email or phone number, hit next, and then enter your passcode. And after you signed in your Google account, you can set lock screen protection. So here you can pick password, PIN code, pattern, and so on. But I'm gonna skip it and do it later in settings. Here we are gonna accept everything and choose either to turn on backup and select items, or choose don't backup. So if you don't want to lose your data, then I suggest you to turn on backup, but I don't mind, so I select it, don't turn on. Now we need to choose browser as well as search engine, so go through the list and pick one. I'm gonna pick Google, set as default, and here pick Google as well. Now we are got introduced to the Gemini personal AI assistant, so just tap next. Here, if you want to use it, you can turn it on immediately by tapping on blue button. And at this point we need to sign in Samsung account. You can do it with the help of your Google account, email or phone number, sign in with QR code, or if you don't have an account or if you forgot password, then you can click here and either create account, tap forgot ID or forgot password or even set it up later in settings. So I'm gonna select sign in with Google. Here click continue. Now allow access, tap continue. And after that we need to select what Samsung account can access. So I'm just gonna select all and tap continue. Here we need to check out the following options, so you can check terms and conditions as well as special terms, and you're gonna agree to that by adding this check mark. Here we got this optional, so let's just tap agree. And now I need to complete my profile info and then tap done. And now my account is added, so we are gonna check those intelligent features. We got object eraser, AI select, and so on. So just tap next. And here you can disable auto blocker, for example, or reverse. Then tap agree and choose your display mode, either light one or dark one. I'm gonna pick light, and let's check what is next waiting for us. So yep, now we can get recommended apps which will download over Wi-Fi. So here you can download those apps, or you can just remove check marks and don't install those apps. And that's it. We are all set. So tap home button. And now you should see your phone's interface. So let's just wait for that. Just give it a few seconds to load. And here I'm gonna tap later. And yep. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.